I'm so happy to see you, Shamapti, and today I have a news, that is I cannot shave my face anymore because it is giving me skin reaction. It's not the thing like it's the first time I shaved my skin. I had been shaving my face for a long time. It always suited my skin. My skin felt softer, glowing, makeup looked better, it was smoother. I loved shaving my face. It helped my skin, but now it's not. And I am really confused because I have now changed the method, the way I used to shave. The things that worked for me, I'm doing those things. I'm not using anything new while I'm shaving my skin. This is simply it's not working for my skin anymore, and I cannot tell you from when it started because the process was gradual. First time there was like skin irritation, redness, and frankly I didn't blame this on shaving because I have been doing this for a long time, so I thought maybe that can be any skincare or something or anything else. But then I realized each time I was shaving my face, I was getting more and more issues. Started with redness, then bumps, whiteheads, breakouts, and the mild pigmentation. And at this point I know if I continue shaving my face, it's gonna turn into major issue. You know, I may have stubborn pigmentation in this process, and that's not worth the risk, you know, that I would take for shaving. But I have to tell you one thing, when I shave my upper lips, when I groom my eyebrows, then it's alright. Even my forehead is alright with shaving, but my cheeks, they are not handling shaving at all. They cannot anymore. Somehow they are getting irritated. This is something, see, when I was shaving for the first time I did, if I had this kind of issues, then I knew okay, my skin is like that. But I had been doing this for years. I'm talking about 5-6 years, and it's been like months, I'd say 3-4 months since my skin's not liking shaving at all. I don't shave like every week, maybe twice, max twice in a month I do it. Also I looked on internet, I saw many people, they face this issue with shaving. The skin barrier gets damaged, or they get inflamed skin, they get bumps, rough textures. But most of them face these things. I mean, I'd say all of them face this when they shaved for the first time. I have not found any video yet, maybe there is, but I have not, that where someone has been shaving their skin for say years, but all of a sudden their skin is not liking it. So I'm really confused what is happening. The only thing I suspect right now, though I don't know is right or not, I'm using like very high concentration of AHA facial pill these days. Maybe now shaving is becoming over exfoliator for my skin, because when you shave you also exfoliate your skin. Maybe it can be the case, but just to see if it is the case, I stopped using that AHA pill for 2 weeks and I gave shaving another shot, but still the same bumpy skin, the redness, whiteheads. So right now my skin is not liking it at all. And this is my time to say goodbye to facial shaving because this is simply not working for me. So I thought of giving you this update. Let me know if you face something similar, or have you ever tried shaving your face, how it worked for you. It's gonna be really helpful because right now I'm gonna confuse like why it is happening, because it always suited my skin, but now it just, my cheeks cannot take shaving anymore. So yeah, I hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much for being there, and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.